Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream, which will be our very first live stream of the week. I hope every single one of you who is joining the live stream had such a wonderful weekend. And also, for I better do my intro for those that don't know who I am. My name is Guna. So I've been trading for almost 4 years now, and the main purpose of my live stream and also my YouTube page is solely dedicated to you, the viewer, to giving you guys as much free and latest price action information as possible, in hopes that it will be able to help you guys out as much as it can. Okay, so today we'll be speaking about a little bit of BTC, but again, I won't give any predictions for BTC because BTC insanely making new highs and new highs and new highs. Okay, I don't like trading all-time highs, like I said, because I don't really understand how price will eventually start to react in certain areas. But nevertheless, we will speak about BTC. And then also there is a potential opportunity for Solana and also ETH, which we go through today. Okay, and forex pairs. To be honest, gold there might be an opportunity, but so far it seems like we're about to move down. Okay, but again, let's do a little bit more predictions. And last but not least, AUD USD. Okay, so this is the pairs that we go through today. So today will be a short live stream. I promise you guys. I also have to go and get some cat sand because my cat litter sand is also finished already. But nevertheless, today is a Monday. Monday we don't tend to see as much. How to say? Potential opportunities, okay? Because like I said, the Monday is the market just wake up, right? Especially after 9:30, then we start to see a little bit more stuff happening lah. But nevertheless, let's go through, let's analyze, and together let's trade safely, okay? Hello, sir. Hello, Lion. Thank you so much for joining us in the live stream today. So without further ado, guys, let's get into today's session. So if you remember, right, we were speaking about BTC roughly here, What happened? Oh my god. It was 112,000. Okay, that was the time, if I remember correctly, lah. Okay, it made an all-time high, and then we were speaking about it in one of the live streams roughly here. How could we have expected a move from 112,000 to all the way what 123,000, guys? Oh my god, 10,000 plus extra movements. This is insane. Whoever got whole portfolios, okay, for buying opportunities in BTC are extremely happy. I'm also extremely happy a little bit lah because I also got whole. But I told you guys this earlier on also lah, quite some time ago lah. Okay, so if you guys are actually holding spots for BTC, means congratulations to every single one of you. Initially, we spoke about BTC hitting an all-time high to break the 109 mark. It did went down, really down to the point that quite a few people was actually concerned if it will actually eventually go up or not. But good thing, guys, for those that hold, now you guys are very happy lah. Okay, so why we actually going to speak about BTC today is actually because, like I said, BTC is kind of like the very big primary cryptocurrency coin, right? So if these starts to move up, right, majority of people will start to have a lot more, how to say, not ambition, confidence lah, or belief in the crypto space. That is why majority of other cryptocurrencies so will eventually start to move higher. So if you guys remember for ETH, right, last Friday, I think our Friday live stream, I wanted to focus on buying opportunities for this potential target. ETH didn't make much of a move. It was a lot of consolidation. See, this is Saturday. Okay, this is Sunday. Okay, then Monday today, then we start to see a move towards the upside. So did I enter? No, I didn't enter this trade because I didn't see the markets for ETH today. I was focusing actually on S&P 500, which is this one index currency. Okay, we won't go through that today. Okay, we will go through that maybe tomorrow because it's not much of an opportunity that I saw in as of now. Okay, so the market from last week Friday, okay, since I anticipated it for buy, right, we actually moved down. I draw this maybe easier for you guys to see it. Okay, see now? The market actually moved down instead of up. So I didn't enter, wasn't interested at all when Monday today, which is roughly around 5 a.m. Malaysia time, then the market starts to make higher highs and higher lows. I'm still waiting now for this target to potentially be taken out. So my game plan here, right, which I want to share with you guys is once market, let's say, if comes to this range to take out this level, okay, this certain key level, watch how price reacts. Okay, I'll be very honest. I do not think we may see a reaction towards the downside, like start to see move down, because BTC has been like killing it, keep on going higher, but eventually, of course, we will need to have a pullback. Market always have to pull back. We cannot just move in a singular direction. All right, but overall, right, just wait for this key level to be taken out and then watch how price will start to react. Okay, primarily if we start to see also BTC really kicking it, really keep on moving towards the upside, we might have to find another potential target for a buying opportunity. So I potentially will only be focusing on entering any possible trades after this target has been taken out. Sound weird, right? Usually people take trade before the target taken out, but since I missed the opportunity at roughly 5 a.m., right, I didn't wake up at 5 a.m. Okay, so I will just wait lah and see lah. After this opportunity has been taken out, then I might enter another trade. I mean, an actual trade lah for ETH for potential. For now, I can say buy lah. Huh? For now, I think primarily I can focus on buys. Okay, so Solana, roughly the same thing, guys. So these are levels, okay, which I anticipate price to actually take out one of the other lah. Okay, I'm not so sure if price will come up all the way to here or not, but I have a very high prediction that price at least will come to 169.91. Okay, so what is my game plan here? Is same thing. Okay, everything is same. Trading basically everything is same. Once you find something that works, basically just copy paste it. So price come up here. If I start to see some form of reaction, okay, I want to wait until I start to see a potential shift back. If potential shift back towards the bullish side, right, then I might aim for buying opportunity to take out the last form of liquidity. That is the closest range that I can actually identify as of now. All right. However, if market starts to reverse, okay, then I might enter for a selling opportunity, because we also do have fair value gaps here, guys. This is share with you. Okay, this is a fair value gap level here. We do have quite a few levels of liquidity resting within this range also. If you want me to draw this, I can draw this one here. Okay, after here, excuse me, guys. Sorry, bless me. My cat keep on climbing on my baju. I just used the roller. Whoever is cat owners, if you guys don't have a roller, right, trust me, it will save your life. Okay, so we do have a trend line liquidity, so that is resting below this range. So I have targets if I want to aim for a potential sell, but like I said, looking at the behavior of BTC, it's unlikely that we might start to move down unless we start to see a shift in BTC. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, when you guys want to trade for cryptocurrencies for the current time being, just keep an eye out on BTC. I wouldn't recommend trading BTC. Okay, but if you guys want, of course can, but personally I wouldn't recommend because it's an all-time high. We do have better opportunities like ETH, Solana, Dogecoin. Okay, we have prehistorical data in terms of understanding the potential target zones that price may go to versus BTC, where there isn't any historical data for us to refer to and understand how high summer price is going to go to. You know, it's a bit of like trading, almost considered as trading blind, almost. Okay, so that is for Solana. Dogecoin, guys, I anticipated for this level to be taken out. No, this was taken out on Saturday, which is yesterday. Okay, I didn't trade yesterday. Sorry, day before yesterday. Okay, but this key level has been beautifully taken out, and this is the type of reaction I'm telling you lah. Okay, just watch how it react later for ETH and Solana. So you see, price comes in after it takes out the certain form of liquidity. Can you see? This is what we reaction. Can you see now? Right now we're trading within this range. We're not really moving really higher. We're not really moving any lower. We're basically almost in the same level, but this is not consolidation, but roughly around the same area where liquidity was taken out. Sorry, this key level was taken out. Price roughly is now coming back and trading within the same level range. Okay, so just keep that in mind for Dogecoin. But primarily, of course, I need to reanalyze later for Dogecoin, maybe after I buy my cat litter, and see the possibility of where price may head to next. Okay, but again, focus on BTC. Since BTC primarily is moving up, right? I think Dogecoin and Solana ETH also, you guys should prioritize buying opportunity for now. Don't really prioritize selling for opportunity for now, unless we start to see a shift in BTC. Okay, this is just something that I'm sharing with you guys now. Okay, so I think that's it for cryptocurrency space. So let's move on to ADUSD. Okay, guys, ADUSD right, is a bit interesting right now. So we did consolidate last Friday. Okay, there wasn't much of an opportunity as I anticipated it to move to. Like, I really was looking forward for ADUSD, but I didn't get anything. Okay, so nevertheless, right now we are kind of respecting this key level range. Okay, primarily I believe, okay, I may be seeing a potential selling opportunity. Oh yeah, wait, let me on this. You guys missed this, right? Okay, potentially I may be seeing a potential selling opportunity lah. But I personally would like to wait a little bit more for further confirmation. Since we have an hour since New York session is going to come in, right? So I prefer to wait for New York session to kick in before I maybe will be entering for a selling opportunity lah. Also, we have a very, very, very beautiful trend line liquidity here. Okay, that may be supporting price movement towards the downside. This is not considered, guys. This one has been taken out already by price as of now, and we still starting to see some form of movement towards the downside. All right, so let me just go a little bit smaller time frame and then see certain things. Give me a moment, guys. Okay, okay. Yeah, it seems like we're moving down lah. My primary focus for AUD/USD would be sales as of now. Same thing also for gold, which we'll be going to right now lah. Okay, so primarily I'm focusing on sales, guys, for AUD/USD. I'm just letting you know. But preferably, I would like to wait for New York session to kick in. Again, just letting you guys know lah. Preferably, I'm waiting for New York session to kick in. Last but not least, let's go into gold. Okay, so gold also anticipating for selling opportunity, but again, not yet. I want to wait for New York session to kick in because today is a Monday. Don't care much about this all of these entry things. So this is just my back testing that I did on Saturday. Okay, so we are currently respecting this key level range, guys, as of now. Okay, for gold. Gold look a little bit more clearer and a little bit more prettier, for selling opportunity. Just to share with you guys now. But again, regardless, I'm still going to wait lah for potential opportunity. Give me a moment, guys. One moment. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Just checking. My I want to wait for a certain trade to happen. That's why I was already marking it out earlier. So just sharing with you guys, selling opportunity so far for AUD/USD and gold looks good in my opinion. Okay, right now also looks good, but I prefer to enter at 9:30 just because since Monday is about to happen and then New York session kicks in, only we will start to see the kind of like a foundation, a base of how the market may want to move forward for this following week lah. Okay, because Asia already kicked in. Okay, fine, they created their foundation. London already kicking. Okay, fine, they created their foundation, and then now New York has to kick in to create their foundation. Since we have primarily 3 sessions, right? So I would prefer to wait. If you guys want to enter, can, but just bear in mind New York session is very close by. You guys can focus primarily on selling opportunities. Okay, the safe targets for AUD/USD, if you guys want to go for sell, is this one. Primarily, of course, we want to focus on this entire trend line liquidity. But again, I will sound like a parrot. I'm sorry, but New York session is close by. Just wait. In my opinion, means just wait. Anything could happen, guys. We can totally see a reversal also happening right now. Okay, gold could actually shoot all the way up. That's why I have another target. Always good to have many target areas, so you never feel like you are out of any trading opportunities or trading ideas. You always have some form of trading idea, which is very nice. I love that feeling. Okay, if you guys would like to learn also how I analyze certain things in the markets and all, I do have my own personal program where I go intensively with you guys for 6 weeks. You guys can find out more details about it. It's basically a 6-week course where I bring you guys, even if you guys start from zero, all the way to the way how I'm able to see profitability after almost 4 years of trading myself. I I will help transform you guys, and everything I do in the live stream, whatever I speak about, you guys will be able to do the same after 6 weeks. Okay, if you guys are interested to find out more details about it, I do have my WhatsApp links and also my Instagram links in the description below. Feel free to reach out to me, guys, and let me know you guys from YouTube. It will mean a lot to me. Okay, so guys, that will be all for now. Live stream. I apologize. I need to end early because the shop that I buy my little ad is very close by my house, but they close at 9. Okay, so I have roughly less than half an hour left to go, but just focus on the primary directional bias that I'm giving you today. Okay, ETH. Primarily, I believe this target is about to be taken out. If price move down, you should be happy because if it goes to key level and we start to see bulls come in, then we have another beautiful opportunity to enter for a buying trade. Okay, if it goes up instead and take out this potential target, wait to see reaction. If you start to see reversals, you can use this key level as a potential target. Nevertheless, if you start to see price continuing want to move up, because why? Based it off BTC, remember this. Then you can focus on potential buying opportunities. Same goes for Solana, okay? Exactly the same thing. If this price gets taken out and we start to see reaction, we still see bulls in the market. Primarily, we can focus on buying for the next key level. Okay, 173.65. This is the ultimate line as of now. Okay, primarily why overall focusing on buys because BTC. Okay, Dogecoin, I didn't give you guys much of analysis because I need to reanalyze the market for Dogecoin. I didn't really analyze it today yet. I just focused on ETH and Solana, but Dogecoin also looks a good opportunity, guys, for potential buy. But BTC, my opinion, so far looks now like we're moving down now. Personally, lah. Okay, just personally, I feel like we're moving down. We'll see, lah. We'll see at 9:30. We'll see. Okay, AUD/USD primarily I'm focusing on sells. Gold primarily I'm focusing on sell. But again, I'll just wait for New York session to kick in before I choose to either enter the market or just sit up today, watch how the market flow, and then I'll trade tomorrow. Okay. So guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for joining the live stream today. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day, guys. I will catch you all in the very next live stream. Remember, trade safely, huh? Okay? Goodbye, guys. Take care.